Hello, welcome to the Pandeiro Academy. My name is Scott Kettner and I'll be your instructor. Are you just beginning to play the pandeiro or wish to bring your skills to the next level? Do you want access to every video lesson that I've ever made as well as every future video lesson that I create? Well, when you join the Academy as a monthly subscriber, you'll have immediate access to our complete pandeiro video lesson library, which includes practice routines, grooves, technique exercises, PDFs, ebooks, and more. The Pandeiro Academy offers much more than our self-paced pandeiro course. In the Academy, you'll have access to all of those video lessons and much more. In the Academy, we've implemented a weekly synchronous Zoom class because we understand the importance of one-on-one interaction and immediate feedback, especially when you're just starting. When you become a member of the Pandeiro Academy, you'll receive an exclusive Zoom link for our weekly classes. These videos get archived into the course where you can access them anytime from any device from any part of the world. In the Academy, you'll learn the essentials of the grid technique, how to improve your tempo and endurance. We'll learn different styles of music and artists from around the world. We'll learn more than 50 grooves and how to apply them onto the pandeiro. And more importantly, we're gonna have fun. This is a great chance for you to join our global community and meet other like-minded people. Don't wait, sign up today. We have limited space available in our Zoom classes because we don't like overcrowded classrooms. And I like to keep the experience intimate so that you always get a chance to speak up and I can dedicate the time needed to help you make the necessary improvements. So sign up today and I'll see you in the next lesson.